हेलो, मेरा नमस्कार। मैं हूं डॉक्टर विनोद, क्लिनिकल हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट, नागपुर, महाराष्ट्र से। अभी जो सेशन स्क्रिप्ट आप सुनने वाले हैं, इसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि किस तरीके से आप अपने एंजाइटी को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। तो सेशन शुरू करने से पहले आप एक शांत और कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन ले लें। आप बेड पर लेट भी सकते हैं और ध्यान रखें कि आपको हाफ एन आवर कोई डिस्टर्ब ना करे। सो क्लोज योर आइज एंड I would like you to do right now is to use your imagination. I want you to imagine a scene in your mind, to visualize yourself at a wonderful place, a place where there is no anxiety, a place where there is no anxiety whatsoever. It could be some place that you have been before. Or if you cannot think of an anxiety-free place, you may go ahead and create one in your mind. Maybe you can see it clearly in your mind, and maybe you can't. If you can't imagine it, just think about it. And the same purpose is being served. You can even surround yourself with things and activities that you find extremely enjoyable without any trace at all. Take a few moments and create this scene in your mind. And as soon as you have this scene in your mind, nod your head for me. So that I know you have it there. Now in just a few words, describe in your mind and now visualize that place and see it very clear in your mind and feel that it's a wonderful place. It's a wonderful place. Now, so while you are in your comfortable place, I would like you to take a deep breath. And as you exhale, allow yourself to feel twice as comfortable and wonderful as you do right now. Just feel wonderful. And take your second breath. Just deep breathe. And as you exhale, allow yourself to relax even more and more. And on the third deep breath, as you exhale, allow yourself to feel wonderful and relax. Just realize that you are in a place where nothing affects you, where there is no anxiety, where you are completely safe. And now commit this place to the memory. Feel that sensation in your mind. Every details of that sensation, because in the future at times you find yourself confronted by what used to be an anxiety provoking situations or any kind of stress whatsoever. All you need to do is take your 3 deep breaths and allow yourself to remember. And come back to this wonderful anxiety-free, stress-free place that you have created for yourself now. Just relax and feel wonderful. Let's go ahead and try it now to ensure you understand the concept. Right now, I would like you to think of something or a situation that may have caused you a small amount of anxiety in the past. I repeat, I would like you to think of something or a situation that may have caused you a small amount of anxiety in the past. And as soon as you feel a little bit of anxiety, just nod your head for me so that I will know. Take a deep breath and just let the negativity flow away. Take a deep breath and just let the negativity flow away. Take your second deep breath and allow yourself to feel wonderful and relaxed and happy. Coming back to a special place. And take your third breath and allow yourself to relax completely. Feel wonderful. Feel that happy memory and safe memory that you have created in your mind. Now you are anxiety free. It's feel great. You are feeling wonderful. Feeling wonderful and happy. Just feel wonderful. Feel that as you exhale, you bring yourself to a wonderful, relaxed state of mind. And feeling wonderful. Just feel wonderful and relaxed. Just feel wonderful. So now you are feeling confident. You are feeling wonderful and relaxed. Now congrats, you are now anxiety free. It feels great. It feels great. Just open your eyes. Just open your eyes. So feel wonderful.